The nerve that them youth here, them Afrobeat actually copy the reggae culture and then turn around to disrespect our legends, to disrespect such iconic group such as Steel Pulse. And more fire pan Burna Boy. Yaganti? And more lava we are put pan Burna Boy. Disrespect them, look at Burna Boy and disrespect the family. The Rasta family. The Jamaican family. The reggae family. The Truths and Rights family. Because from your roll up and you see them money and natty, fool, you should have fall up. And where you go, you see the roads. You should have known, see, we are the truth.